in the IT industry. Speed of electronics is the speed of light. So I'll share to you the my presentation, which is a very small presentation, but moreover, I will also be showing you live data backing up what I'm sharing to you. Okay, so I will go ahead and start with a blockchain. Blockchain. What it is for anybody who is the first time to hear about blockchain. What is a blockchain? Actually, blockchain basically is a database, but this one is a distributed database that is existing on multiple computers at the same time. It's constantly growing as new set of records or blocks, what we call blocks, are added to it. Basically, this is a database with blocks of data. Each blocks contain a timestamp and a link to the previous block. So they actually form a chain. That's why we call a blockchain. But if you don't want to crack your head much, you just have to have a simple definition of a distributed database. It's the distributed database that is not owned by anyone. Actually, this is an innovation. Basically, it's a new invention. Okay. So that can be defined, a blockchain can be defined like that, and you can see blocks of blocks of data, and there are so many users using who are in this network, which forms a blockchain. So there are so many use cases of blockchain, and one of it, which is a cryptocurrency. And when you talk about cryptocurrency, there are so many types of cryptocurrency. The first cryptocurrency, blockchain of cryptocurrency was Bitcoin. Basically, this is the first one that came in with the inventor of this technology. Okay, so most of you might also be aware or must have heard of it. Bitcoin is the first blockchain, and the good thing, the more important thing with a blockchain is that there's a limited number of the cryptocurrency, limited number of those we call soft coins. Okay, and Bitcoin being the first one, but there are so many others, the likes of Ethereum, the likes of Litecoin, XPR, and there are so many. There are more than thousands. There are more than thousands of cryptocurrency using the same technology, which is the underlying technology, blockchain. And this is the first usage of blockchain as a cryptocurrency, as a digital currency. Okay, so the second usage is a smart contract. There are so many other use cases, but I'll also talk a little bit about the smart contract being the most used use case or utility. So when you talk about smart contract, you talk about some of these cryptocurrency. We talk about the second most largest in terms of I don't know, someone is typing here. Okay, I understand. Okay, thank you. Okay, this is the second most largest in terms of market capitalization. This Ethereum. Ethereum is an open platform. It's a cryptocurrency, but this is more than a cryptocurrency. It's a platform that uses the blockchain technology to create and run decentralized digital application. And you might call this dApps. In technical term, we call decentralized application dApps or smart contract. Okay, so in a nutshell, Ethereum is a platform that uses a blockchain technology and utilize this technology and to form a platform whereby there are so many other applications, which are we call them decentralized application or DApps, that can be deployed and run on onto it. So smart contract basically is a programming code that is a self-operating. It's placed directly on the blockchain. It can never be hacked or stopped. Once deployed, it cannot be changed. This means it does not require an admin or a company to run it. Everything here is decentralized. There is no middleman. There's no intermediary that owns anything. Everything run by its own and does exactly what it's programmed to do. Basically the creator or the programmer. So there are several other smart contracts. These are newest terminologies that you can find in this space, blockchain space, and there are so many others. So I want to create a case here so that once I take you live into the use case, into how people are utilizing this technology basically in the business space, and you'll come to realize that there's a big worth shift coming from the traditional financial system into the newest system, which is deployed, the systems which are deployed using blockchain technology. Okay, so smart contracting can basically could change the way we do business, and there are so many things, there are so many use cases. I will show you in a short while on how this technology, blockchain technology, the underlying technology, some of these coins, the digital currency, some of these platform, the likes of Ethereum. There are so many other platforms that they can host decentralized application, and that's what you call smart contract. There are so many of them. So I will shift here and I will move you into the live page. I'll share my screen here so that you can quickly understand, and you can be aligned and know in an easier way on how you can come into this space and take advantage of what's going on. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen here. I think everything can be seen here right now.
Yes.
Okay. So I like to go into to use some of these mainstream media. These are profound pages, like the likes of Forbes. This is a magazine which is very profound, that they do their due diligence when they publish anything. They've got technical people, they've got lawyers and all sorts of financial experts that they go through everything by doing due diligence before they publish anything. So when you go into Forbes, and I just want to share you into monetary subsection, there is subsection which is new. Has been added recently. It can be a few years ago when this technology started, and it's crypto and blockchain. Why do they do that? Because they know that's the future of the world. That's the future where things are moving into. Okay, so you can see by yourself lots being talked about the blockchain technology, lots being talked about the future of financial, the future of digital world, which is more based on using the blockchain technology. So there are so many news here, and I would like today to share a little bit more on the platform that are utilizing the blockchain technology, the platform of Ethereum. So I can just go and straight away and search here Ethereum using in this same website. When you talk about Ethereum, as I mentioned to you, this is a newest form of, like, I will say, a supercomputer, a global a world computer, whereby lots of people, lots of developers now, lots of innovators now are creating what we call smart contract or decentralized application, deploying them into Ethereum platforms. Just like when you have your smartphone, you can use the operating system of the smartphone, whether it's a iOS or whether it's Android, and you can create a program and put it into your phone, the application. Those are normal application, but using this technology, what we call decentralized application, you can deploy within or deploy them into Ethereum blockchain. And I'm talking purposely with on the Ethereum blockchain because that's the most popular platform compared to all other platforms. There are other platforms that can host a decentralized application, the like of EOS, the likes of Tron, and several other. But this is the most used one, the most developed one, the most advanced, the most the platform with the most developers, and you will see there are so many players are using the same platform. When you talk about Ethereum platform, I will share some of these news and articles that were recently published using Forbes, a magazine. I will talk the likes, I'll mention to you the likes of Federal Reserve Bank of America endorsing some of this decentralized application or smart contract. They are being backed up by Federal Reserve, and these are using the Ethereum platform. There are several other, I will just also show you some of the big four accounting firms that want to empower their enterprise with the Ethereum. Basically, they are using, they're going to be using Ethereum platform. So you can see right now, lots of this big firm, lots of institutions, lots of some of these governments, also institutions, they are moving their system into blockchain, and particularly mainly into Ethereum blockchain. Why is it that? Because of the safety, safety, which is a security, because of decentralization, because of the transparency, because that there is no anyone who can tamper around the system, the openness. Okay, so not only that, but some of these biggest company, Microsoft, the likes of Microsoft, Ernst & Young, Consensus, they're also moving some of their system into blockchain. And particularly, I'm mentioning to you, particularly, you have to note here, Ethereum blockchain. And there is a very good reason why they're using Ethereum blockchain, because of its development, because of the brain behind Ethereum blockchain. And talking about the Ethereum blockchain, you must have heard about the decentralized financing system. These are some of the smart contracts that are into space, are into play right now. Talking about decentralized financing, there are so many companies right now. They are also utilizing, or they are moving into that space. And I want to show some of these platforms, some of these programs, some of these partner, or I will say smart contract or cryptocurrency. They are using Ethereum. They are using the chain, Ethereum blockchain, the likes of Makers, the likes of WBTC Compound. These are programs that are categorized out as decentralized financing. some of these are lending money. There are some of these program using they're doing decentralized exchanges, there are derivatives, payments, and asset. These are programs, these are live program, and everything here is very much open source, and you can look literally into the blockchain and see everything if you have that technical ability. And at this particular time, in fact, I was checking, there's more than 14.8, almost 14, basically it's 14 billion being locked into this program. Okay, so there has to be a very good reason why this money is being is flowing into Ethereum blockchain. Okay, and this is within 90 days. We can see within 30 days, you can see from 12 billion up to 2 billions within a month, within 30 days. Okay, so and not only decentralized finance. They are big. Some of this biggest company, JP Morgan, one of the biggest institution in the world. This is an American financial institution, JP Morgan. They are buying Ethereum, they are buying cryptocurrency, they are also moving into this technology, the likes of IBM, Microsoft, Amazon. And this is not just a hearsay or just someone publishing a news. This is a research being done basically in a technical form, in a technical way. You can literally go into a Ethereum platform, Ethereum blockchain, and you can even trace some of this address, who are the owner of this address. Basically, this is a exhaustive study that has been was done with more than 10,000 wallet addressed, and they found that some of these biggest companies, they are buying cryptocurrency, they are buying particularly Ethereum, and not only Ethereum, they are Bitcoin. Bitcoin is being bought very much at this particular time. And talking about cryptocurrency, talking about Bitcoin, right now there is a very big bull run into this market that is underway, that is coming. This is the beginning of the bull run, and you will see it more often. And I will show you using the market data. Okay, Bitcoin now has a greater market cap than MasterCard. Sometimes this you cannot even translate some of this news. You see, MasterCard is being used by lots of millions of people throughout the world, and MasterCard has been there for quite some time. But Bitcoin, this is a new player. This is a newest technology. Why is it eating some of this traditional market? Because of its safety, security, openness, because it is public. Anyone can come in and use this technology. You can even literally, the next speaker, maybe later on, if he has time, he'll show you on how someone can open a digital wallet, which is very free. You can download it on your smartphone or on your computer, which is very free, and you will have a full custodian with keys, password, and everything, and there's no one who can tamper around it. Okay, Ethereum flowing out of exchange and into smart contract here. I've mentioned because smart contracts, that's a new way on how people are creating applications because of this transparency, because of the security. Using Bitcoin, it's using blockchain or cryptocurrency, it's using the I think it's the topmost security, which is cryptography, encryption of data. That's what that's why they call cryptocurrency, because of the security, the encryption of its transaction using the cryptography. Okay, Ethereum also going into a new version. There's a new version that is underway. Probably next month is gonna be launched. Right now, there are some of the people who are staking their coin so that they can make this Ethereum platform blockchain very much secure. Okay, So there are so many things that we can share, and because of the time, because of the time limit we have today, I won't share a lot of the stuff. Some of the stuff maybe you will come to know as we move along. There will be some contacts that we can have, so that if you want to know more, we can even explain to you more and more into a detailed way. So talking about the market capitalization of cryptocurrency, I'm refreshing this page so that I'm getting, I will be getting the spot on value of each currency and the total amount in terms of USD market capitalization of cryptocurrency. As you can see right now, global crypto market capitalization is more than $521 billion. You can see that, and it is still growing. Okay, using Bitcoin being the top most popular, most used cryptocurrency, you can see right now one Bitcoin is coming close to the all-time high that happened into 2017. Right now, this is spot value. This is 18,641 USD per one Bitcoin. And some of the people that say this is out of hand to most of the people, and we'll show you a simple plan on how someone can acquire a cryptocurrency in terms of the easiest way on how you can acquire. Basically, when you talk about Bitcoin being 18,000 per one Bitcoin, that's a lot. Although you can buy a portion of Bitcoin, you can buy a very small portion of Bitcoin, not even one Bitcoin. You can buy a very small portion. And you can see here, I'm very much interested on the transaction, per day, the volume of transaction being done within 24 hours. This is 37 billion USD. Basically, is 2 million BTC being transacted within 24 hours, 32. This is a huge amount of money being flowing into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in general. And Ethereum being the second, as I mentioned to you, this platform. More than 18 billion USD being flowing, being transacted within 24 hours. That's why I say this is a very big market, and a market that it has a very big future. And right now is the right time to get into this space if you want to. And there are so many other cryptocurrency, as I've mentioned. And talking about all this cryptocurrency, I'll just open any of them. Maybe I think Bitcoin here is opened. I can refresh this page so that you can see on graphical page or chart on how the value of cryptocurrency go up and down. Yes, there's volatility, goes up and down, but long term is going in the upward direction. Yes, in the beginning, one Bitcoin, for those who entered early in this market, they were lucky to buy Bitcoin with even a cent. When this page was started, they started putting the data when the Bitcoin was 117. You can see the price by then. That was 2013, but it's going up and down, but it's going up. If you draw a line here, you'll find the graph is going to go up. Yes, sometimes going down, but long term, up and down in an upward direction. So you can see the number of transactions. You can literally read by yourself. There are a lot of money that has been made. There are a lot of millionaires that have been documented in the Forbes mainstream media. There are so many mainstream media talking about a cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, the likes of CNN, BBC, and so many financial magazine, financial website. They are talking a lot about this. Okay, so this is Bitcoin, but I think if you talk about Bitcoin, if you talk about technology, if email, most of the people, they compare email as a Bitcoin, but the internet being a platform as the Ethereum, because with Ethereum, you can build it. There's so many stuff that can be built onto Ethereum platform. So Ethereum, at one time, it went up to 1,000 when during the bull run in 2017, it went up to 1,000, 1,300 by then, and it came down. But right now, it's starting to go up again. When I talk about the bull run, when you do the market, when you go to the market platform and you see stuff, cryptocurrency being sold and being bought, you can even understand when there's a very big demand of any particular cryptocurrency, its value is going to go up, because the architecture, the design of any open source, public, transparent, borderless, decentralized cryptocurrency, it has a limited supply of coin. It has that scarcity. So with anything that has a scarcity and being utilized, automatically its price is going to go up. Its price is going to go high. So I know the time is not in my favor here. I have only half an hour to explain what I have to explain to you today regarding blockchain. Basically, I've touched base with some of the stuff. If you are the first time to hear about cryptocurrency, blockchain, but moreover, the next speaker will tell you on how you can come along, you can utilize this technology. If the newest person, you can even enter into this space and in a very safest way, being independent and acquire Ethereum, acquire Bitcoin, acquire cryptocurrency. Anytime when you acquire Bitcoin or Ethereum, basically you can exchange it to any other cryptocurrency. Okay, you can even swap. There's a very simple way on how you can swap coins nowadays using the smart contract, using decentralized application. Okay, so thank you very much for your time, for listening to me. And I will end up here, and I'll pass the mic back to the moderator or the next speaker, whoever is ready. Thank you.
Wow. Thank you very much, Mr. Joseph, for the powerful information. Indeed, knowledge is power. So I would like to welcome Mr. Goodluck to take us to the next phase of training. Thank you, and good luck. You are welcome.
Thank you so much, Eva. Thank you so much, Joseph. And much more, I want to say it is so awesome for each and everyone who has attended this training. It is so powerful, and it was exciting. And I want to link to what Joseph has said with what I'm going to say. So I'll try to make it simple. Joseph talked about blockchain technology, and he said there are two things. There is the technology, and there is currency. From the blockchain technology. So it produced currency, which is the digital currency. He talked about it. He said it is limited in number, and the value increases. He showed about he showed about Bitcoin, the way it came from 10 cents to reach to 18,000 US dollars. So for those people who bought Bitcoin at $1, at one US dollar, so with 100 US dollars, they could get 100 Bitcoin. But right now, when it is sold at 18,000 US dollars, then you can see how much these people have earned. So Joseph has talked about wealth shifting. Wealth is shifting from the traditional business to the technological way of doing business. Okay, so when you talk of the side of technology, he talked much about what is going through now in terms of Ethereum. Ethereum, he put it very well that Ethereum now is a platform. It's like a operating system. It's like Android, whereby on top of Ethereum there can be created so many applications around the world. And with the data which we have more than 1,600 applications which are there inside the Ethereum blockchain technology and which people utilize. And in terms of technology, there are so many things that are happening. That is why we have seen, Joseph has shown Federal Reserve endorsing Ethereum. Joseph has shown big stakeholders like JP Morgan. He has shown big stakeholders like PayPal, Amazon, and the Microsoft of Bill Gates. They are all going into that. Let us take Apple of Stephen Jobs, which is about trillion trillion of US dollars. Let's say if it puts 5% of its capital into blockchain. What if JP Morgan puts 5% of his capital into blockchain technology? You can see the way this is going to be up. And in the near future, people will not be able to afford even a single Bitcoin because it is going to be worth millions of US dollars, because you could see the way land was so huge. But at this moment, to get a piece of land, for example, here in Dubai, it is difficult. So the same will apply to Bitcoin, which is 21 million, and the world has got more than 8 billion people, all of them competing for this number. There are more than the 32 there are many millionaires, so many millionaires, about 32 million something millionaires. So imagine if all these millionaires try to find one Bitcoin, then it will be difficult. And when Bitcoin goes up, also other coins go up. So my part of training now, I will not tell you, let us go to create our own Bitcoin or our own blockchain technology. Or when we talk of Ethereum, there are applications which can be built on top of Ethereum. They are called decentralized application or smart contract. I'm not going to tell I'm not going to tell you to create smart contract. Why? Because it requires a lot of capital, a lot of technology, a lot of information, a lot of trouble to do that, but much more, you are going to find the difficulty into going into competition with all the other smart contracts which exist in the market. So today, I want you to listen to me to the end, and I will give you opportunity to ask so many questions that you have, and much more. I'm going to give you opportunity that people can now make a lot of fortune because of what is going on in the cryptocurrency industry. So I want you to pay into attention that Bitcoin is now 18,000 US dollars, 18,000 US dollars. So it is almost uh, it is almost uh, 20,000, which was the high time, all time high. But Ethereum now, the high time it went up to 1,500, 1,500. But today is 500. So it means that there are about 70%, 70% growth to reach the all-time high. Bitcoin is 18, so almost 20%. So there is so much opportunity in Ethereum that when people now engage into Ethereum project or engage in investing in Ethereum, whether to buy it, whether to mine Ethereum, or to get any project that involves Ethereum, then you are in a great chance to win big time, because the world this time is going to is shifting the wealth to the digital world. So today I'm going to teach you a simple system or a simple platform that you can use to earn the second side of the presentation of Joseph, cryptocurrencies. So I'm going to show you the system that will help you earn Ethereum or earn cryptocurrencies that Joseph has shown, which is which links with the technology, because in this technology is like a car. A car does not use dollar or pound. Car uses fuel, uses petroleum. So you use dollar or dirham or shillings to buy fuel to use in a car. The same applies. This technology involves digital currency. So you use dollar to buy digital currency, which is needed to operate in this blockchain technology. So Ethereum or cryptocurrency, apart from being used as currency, they will be used as digital, as token to operate this one. So I want you to be with me as we are going very, very technically to show you the platform that we can use to earn these to earn these to earn these uh, to earn these cryptocurrencies. Okay, so I will not go much into details about the main topic and everything, because Joseph has explained so many things very well, and now you know the value of of cryptocurrency and why now the world is shifting towards achieving the cryptocurrency has shown you. In just one day, 37 billion in Bitcoin transactions and 18 billion in Ethereum transaction. So you can see now many people are getting in. And now for us who are now who have heard about it, then we can jump into that. So the system that I'm going to show you how you can earn Ethereum is a smart contract and a decentralized application. Smart contract, just as he explained very well, these are the products of blockchain technology. So I'm showing you this smart contract, which is going to help as people pass through different stages of life. They used different tools, stones, sometimes this kind of stick to create fire. They went to the industrial age to create machines. They create cities, and there, when the internet came, many people use the internet to earn a lot of fortune. We have seen so many people have become rich in terms of internet. But now the world has moved to digital era. So we are no longer here. We are no longer here. So now we are in digital era, and whatever business that we are doing, whatever project that we are doing involves smart contracts. It means that we are doing the project that is very, very hot. So today in digital era, or tonight, I'm going to show you the project or the platform that has never existed before in the world. People have not heard about it, but it has changed the lives of people, which is called the Forsage platform. And Forsage gives you something unique, the power of ownership. What do you own? You own the platform. Joseph explained this very well, and I don't want to rush you guys. I will limit myself the time, but I want you to get it that Joseph explained about blockchain technology as no owner. So there are users, and users become the owners. And so this smart contract of Forsage gives you the power of ownership. You will own that smart contract, and you will have total control of your future. And every transaction that is taking place in the Ethereum, in the Forsage platform using digital currency, then everything will be coming to you. So it is getting so interesting. Now we need to ask ourselves some few questions. Why millions of people talk about Forsage every single day? They talk about the blockchain, that is true, but why do they talk about Forsage every single day? And by talking about Forsage, in 32 weeks, it made a world record of having 960,000 registered users. You can see this is so powerful. In just 32 weeks, almost 1 million registered users who are now the owners, because we are talking of Forsage giving the power of ownership. But it did not end there. The capitalization exceeded 300 million because these platforms do not have funds, but and do not keep funds. People or these users are the ones who have earned this one and this amount, 300 million in just 32 weeks. That is a very huge amount. And now this is something I'm showing you today to show you this platform, this worth in terms of Ethereum, and Ethereum is increasing in power. So it means that I show you now the tool that we are doing. So Forsage is the tool in this digital era that is available to everyone, because this technology does not exclude anyone. It is there as long as you have internet, you have smartphone, or you have laptop. It means you can access. This is the tool we are going to learn today. I'll show you, and with your own eyes, you will see, and with your own ears, you are going to hear, you are going to learn how to utilize it for Forsage and all the opportunities it brings. So I'll stop sharing this one, and I'll go directly to the website. Let me see time now. Let me see time, because there can be I can get stuck here and get to and okay, fine. So this is okay. So I needed this. Let me put it now so that you can see. I hope you can you see my presentation?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the website of Forsage, but the website is not Forsage because Forsage is the smart contract. Forsage as a smart contract, it does not stay in this web page, or it does not stay there. It stays inside Ethereum blockchain technology. So when we talk of this website, it is just the the interface. It shows you what is going on inside the Ethereum blockchain technology. One thing that you need to pay attention, because of the way the technology is, Joseph has talked about the safety of it. He has shown how why big stakeholders are going, because of the safety. There is zero risk. It has immunity against hackers, against scams. It is transparent, and it's anonymity. You don't need to put to go to procedures like passport and everything. The transactions are instant, meaning that because you are the owner, then you receive your payment on the spot. It is decentralized because the blockchain is decentralized, and it is 100% online. You can see people, registered users are 1.2 now, currently today, only today. in 24 hours. In the, like today, the day is not over. 2,600 people have joined Forsage, and much more. You can see here on the total earning is 396 million US dollars have been earned in terms of Ethereum through Forsage. So, and this is the result because I was telling you that Forsage gives you the power of ownership. And when we talk of the power of ownership, it means that uh, blockchain technology does not keep money. So keep money is, or Ethereum is kept in the wallets of people. And now you can see now this guy here, he joined this Forsage in March, and he has earned Ethereum 1,342 Ethereum worth 532,000 US dollars, half a million US dollars. There is this guy who joined in April. He utilized the Forsage. He earned 260. So there are so many people, as you can see. Because of time, we cannot go through everyone, but you can see that there's this guy who came in July, but he has earned 349,000 US dollars. So many people, and many people here, high inclusive, Eva and Joseph, who have been part of this one, who have earned this one, who have earned Ethereum, because we are finding a way now to earn Ethereum. But much more, it has not ended to thousand of US dollars. It has gone to go up to million of US dollars that people have used this system. And now I'm just showing you how people have got it. But as we go through, as we go together, we will take you through this process so that you can benefit. There is this guy who has earned 1.4 million US dollars. Some people can think that this is just the money in the screen, but if I go now to the Etherscan, and to show you like this is real blockchain technology of Ethereum, and then you can see this is inside Ethereum blockchain technology. Today in his wallet, he has 1,500 US dollars, but you can see every single transaction that made him to get that 1.4 million is recorded in the Ethereum blockchain technology. You can see everything now, everything that he got, he was taking out by himself. And if you go to the internal transaction, you can see every single money came from Forsage. So these are the products of are the products of are the products of of blockchain. So like what is happening? You can ask me what is happening. Like how can we do it? It is true that in Forsage there are two programs. There are two programs that you will own, because once you become part of the blockchain, you become the owner. So there is Forsage X3 and Forsage X4. So these are the two programs that you will own. So what does it mean? What does that tell you? How do you make money out of that? In digital era, we don't reason like people in the industrial age, whereby they would ask, where is the machine? Where is the cotton? Where are the raw materials? Where are the lubricants? Where are the people? Where is the warehouse? But in digital era, people are talking of software. People are talking of smart contracts. People are talking about programs, applications. So now we are talking of the smart contract. That is something that you will own. And because the creator uploaded it inside Ethereum blockchain technology, he cannot change, he cannot delete it, he cannot take it away. So for us users, go to utilize. And when you utilize, how do you make money? When you go there, you own this smart contract. And when you own this smart contract, it means that all other people who want to be part of this smart contract, because it is a very, very high technology, people pay fee to have that smart contract. They pay fee in terms of Ethereum. So once you pay fee to have this part of smart contract, then this smart contract becomes yours. And from there onwards, then as many people now are transforming, are shifting towards the digital era, then you can also share this smart contract to others. And as they pay the fee to have this smart contract, then it becomes yours. So how does this game play? It is very simple. In Forsage X3, there are 12 slots, as you can see, slot 1 up to slot 12, and each slot there there is a price for each slot. Here it is 0.025 Ethereum, and from this slot here, once you pay 0.025, like $10, then it gives you a chance now to earn as much Ethereum as possible, because as many people now join this project of Forsage through this slot number 1, every transaction will be going to you and to your upline. For example, because in Forsage X3 there are three slots, the 2 slots will pay you the same amount of that slot, and the last one will go to your upline. That is why you see in this guy here, 2 payments, 10 will come to him, the third one will reopen, will go to the upline. So it will keep on giving him over and over again. And as you can see, he has made a transaction, 2,266 transaction. And so as you keep on going up, so whatever is taking place in level 1 is what is taking place in other levels, all the way to level 12, and each level is twice the previous one. So level 2 is 0.05 Ethereum, level 3 is 0.1. So once you open this slot by paying the fee of 0.1, then you will have the opportunities now to receive as many Ethereum as possible, because all this the money that is taking place in this platform through your system will be coming to you. And in X4, so in Forsage X3, as you can see, all the way to level 12, this one is worth 51 Ethereum. So in 51 Ethereum is about 21,000 US dollars, and in 21,000 US dollars, so it depends on how many transactions take place. Like this guy here in level 12, 10th transaction has taken place. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 times the 20,000 has come to his wallet. That's why you can see in compilation of everything, he has reached 1.4 million. And this is not only one person, but there are thousands of people who have earned about it. And for Forsage X4, this is now a community thing. It is not a teamwork, whereby there are 6 slots below you, and the 3 slots, like here, 3 slots will go to your upline, and 3 slots will come to you. What is these slots mean? These slots are the payment, because each slot has got a price that people buy from that price. So when you purchase all these slots, it means that you purchase a platform whereby it will remain forever, because blockchain is there to stay, and every transaction is inside Ethereum blockchain technology, and every transaction pays you instantly. That's why there are people who have earned millions of US dollars within a short period of time. So you can say, so there is a link that is a license. You are licensed. Each one who buys this, who has got this platform will have the link. You can copy this link, and you can share it in your social media. You can share it in your WhatsApp. You can share it with your friends. You can have webinars and seminars like this, and with this link of yours. So as people join, all the money will be, not all the money, all the Ethereum will be directed to you. So, and everything is there, and each one is the owner, is the true owner of the system. So to put that everything in a nutshell, and to show you that the world is shifting, and now, because we don't have time the whole day to speak about it, what I can try to sum up with what Joseph has shown. Joseph has shown the world is shifting. The world is shifting, and now I have come now to show practical example of how you can be part of this wealth transfer. So you can either be technically good and go and create a blockchain for yourself. You can be rich. Maybe you have so much money, go and buy Bitcoin, go and buy Ethereum, and try to change. But if you cannot do that, then you can use platforms like Forsage. And you don't, it is very simple because you don't manufacture anything, you don't ship anything, you don't have warehouse, you don't have to travel, you don't have to do anything. The only thing is to talk, just to talk. And for one sister said, in this pandemic, so many people have been affected. Then we can have something now we can do. So I want to pose a challenge to all people who have attended this webinar today. There are so many I'll go through, and I'm sure Eva is going through all the chattings there to see if there are questions that either Joseph or I or Eva can answer them. But I want to challenge for all those people who have joined this webinar and from different sources, from different, if it is Eventbrite or from any other person, and you are ready to go to the next stage, to the next step, to learn a lot about Forsage, and to see if other people have made millions of US dollars, others hundreds of thousands of US dollars, then why not me? Why not me? Because because blockchain technology is for everyone. So if you are there, then maybe you can put your number on the chat box, maybe to Eva on the private chat box, so that we can add you to a group whereby we can give you proper training, we can give you proper understanding, so that you can start by yourself and start earning Ethereum, and now be part of the wealth shift, and many people will become millionaires. So thank you so much, and I'll turn the mic to Eva and to continue now with the presentation.
Thank you. Wow, wow. That was awesome, powerful information. So for all the guests, I'm sure that you have learned something today. But before the end of our webinar, I would like to invite Joseph to answer this question from Michelle. Michelle is asking, let me read the question of Michelle. It was just asking the first one about if I can purchase one Bitcoin. It's very expensive. So we try to answer in the chat box that there is a way which Good Luck has explained it, the platform Forsage. But again, is asking, is it kind of like a pyramid? The person at the top makes the most. This is not, and Joseph, I think, has responded to that. But I will welcome Joseph to clarify more about this so that you can get full knowledge about Forsage platform. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Eva. Thank you, Eva. Yes, I saw, I've just seen the question posed by Kai. I cannot spelling it well. Kai, someone with Michelle. Okay, that's Michelle. Okay, Michelle has mentioned is asking regarding the Forsage. The one who earns most is at the top. No, that's not true. I'll just verify that directly using this screenshot that I'm sharing. Okay. Good Luck has mentioned about Forsage. Forsage is first and foremost is a smart contract, not a network marketing. It's not a company. There's no one who owns anything here. Everything, everyone has his own, we say, wallet. All the transactions are decentralized, full decentralized. And everything here runs it directly from the Ethereum blockchain, as Good Luck has clarified. And this website is only for viewing. In fact, you can view everything with transparency of blockchain and Ethereum. Basically, everything is transparent. That's why this is for only viewing. So I can show you the first account. You know, the first person who started using this program by numerical number order. You see, this is a first person, and probably basically this is the person who created this program, because he has put, or he or a group of people, they put everything into Ethereum blockchain. They have no any authority. They cannot do anything. They cannot change anything, because anything that is run directly within Ethereum particular blockchain cannot be changed. Okay, so that's not theirs. They relinquish the system. So you can see the amount of Ethereum that he has received, 2,984, which is basically approximately to 1.1 million USD, okay, in terms of the USD spot value, okay. This is the first account. I'll go to the second account and show you. The second account, how much is this person earned? Earned 191,000, okay? 191,000, basically 476. Everything here is based on Ethereum. And we can go through several accounts here. Number three, these are the accounts that started maybe in the beginning. Maybe they knew about this program, just like Bitcoin. The person that bought Bitcoin maybe long ago, maybe he has advantage because of the timing, but that doesn't make him like to be the king. If you sell your Bitcoin, then that's it. So I'll go to the account that Good Luck is shared. He was sharing this account, 8769. You see, this person, number 8,769. No. This is not the account that I wanted to share. I think it's 86 something. It's 8679, if I'm not mistaken. The topmost person, the person that has earned most. You see, this person, not even the first person, he has earned 1.4, 3,618 Ethereum total of those Ethereum, which is 1.4. You can, this person maybe basically he came like 2 months later after this program was started, and he earned lot of Ethereum. Why is that? Because this is not a pyramid. It's not that the money goes to the top. There are several accounts that I can show you. In fact, there are some of these people that have earned so much. I think we have some of this. You see, this person. He has joined. You can see he has only the 4 partners, and this person, you can see here, everything here is transparent. You can even go through by yourself. Go to the partners, go to the statistics. He joined the first person on the June, 21st of June, okay, after he joined. So literally it's almost 4 months only. Almost, I think, 4 or 5 months. I'm not sure it's a full 5 months. Say June, July, August, September, October, now it's November. 5 months, okay? But he has earned this much. And I'll show you number 6. This is account number 6. This person literally joined when this program started. This person has earned this 2.4 Ethereum. So you can see it's not the person at the top who earns most, the person who is engaged most, who works. You know, this is not an investment platform. This is like a platform that you come, you work with your partners. If you work, you earn a lot, and you can see how many people, how many participants using Ethereum platform, close to 1 million, okay? And how many participants have earned? 900, 900 and something, and a total of 361, basically in terms of USD earned within that time. Okay, and this program started only in February this year. So you can see everything here is 100% full transparent, and all these transactions are done directly within Ethereum blockchain. If you go to Etherscan, this is a website whereby you can see all the transactions being done using Ethereum blockchain. You see, and you can even see the contract if you have that ability to read and study the contract, you see everything here. This is a smart contract that Forsage that doesn't keep any Ethereum. It distributes between its member. Okay, and there's more than 3.3 million transactions that has happened to date. And you can see the code. Everything here is transparent. The Forsage codes verified. That means it cannot be changed by anyone. If you know what I mean when we were talking about the blockchain and smart contracts. So I'm answering this for the sake of maybe others that would want to know about Forsage, about this program. It's not a network marketing because no one owns it. The creator, they've created and put it in the blockchain and they don't own it. Just like Bitcoin is not owned by anything, Ethereum, but by anyone. Ethereum is not owned by anyone. They are only developers, they are only creators, but not the owners. The owners not mean they can change anything. So in this case, there's nothing which can be changed, okay? I hope that you got a little bit of what I've explained to you regarding Ethereum, regarding Forsage. Michelle, people in Ethereum, because okay. So if you want to know more, yes, you can keep your contacts, and yes, you can contact any one of us or anyone who have invited you. Basically, through email, you can ask questions. We can have a customized training that you can ask all your questions because of the time. This is a general presentation that we cannot go into details of if anything of any portion of what we have mentioned to you, but we can have other time or spare time or customize the time for each and anyone after this webinar. Okay, so I hope that you have captured something out of what I've explained. Michelle, I think, yeah, you're there. Okay, back to you, Eva. Thank you.
Wow, thank you. Thank you very much, Joseph, for that clarification. Thank you. And every one of you that you have attended the webinar today, now whoever that have invited you, please go back to that person so that it can take you to the next step, because you need to understand more. And just as clarified, it is not a pyramid scheme because it has shown the different accounts that the first one and the person who came after 2 months, how he or she has earned is more than the first account. So it shows that it's not pyramid scheme. Pyramid scheme is always the person who is on top is getting more than the people who are coming after. So that, I think, it has clarified to Michelle and others who maybe have the same question like that. So because of the time, and we cannot keep on talking and talking, because this is it's not like one day then you finish. There are second also training, the third, so that you can get more and more understanding. But at least today you have get that full, I mean, the hint. You have got that insight what it is, a blockchain, for those who didn't know blockchain at all. Cryptocurrency, now the Forsage platform that Jose has explained also, clarified that platform because it is deployed inside the Ethereum. Is not a trading, because I think somebody also asked if it's a trading platform. It is not a trading platform at all. A trading platform is different from the platform that Forsage you have. This is a smart contract. It's Ethereum, which is deployed inside the Ethereum blockchain. So trading platform is where you trade your coins, whether it's Bitcoin or Ethereum and other altcoins. Like Binance, like Bittrex, and so forth. But this one, it is a platform which is deployed. It's an ecosystem where everyone in the world can use, and you can own that portion of the slot that Good Luck has explained about it. But because it's the first time, probably you have captured here and there, but not the whole thing. But when you get into it, you are like, you have that power of ownership. Power of ownership meaning whenever that you use this application, right, which you connect it to your mobile phone, smartphone, digital wallet, or in your computer, MetaMask wallet, it means that whatever that you are engaging into, it goes direct to your private wallet. So the earnings that you are engaging using those two programs that Good Luck has explained to you for X3 and X4, that's how you collect Ethereum. So thank you very much for the speakers today, Joseph and Good Luck. I can wish you all the good night. And for those who are far, maybe in Canada or in the other part of the world, good morning and good afternoon. So let us move together and get back to the person who has invited you so that you can also be part of it. You can also be in this wealth shifting. So thank you very much. And I wish you all the best. Good night, good morning, good afternoon. Cheers.
Good luck. Guys, good luck.